Hi, I'm Sandy Bradley, and I'm an independent consultant with Paparazzi Accessories. And I've been selling now for like a year and a half, and I just wanted to give you a few tips of how you can profit from your company, from your little business quickly. Within a 2-month period, I wanted to show you what you can do without having to really work too hard to do it. Okay, you think, oh, I don't want to be active this month, or I don't, because I don't have the $68.25 that it costs for my 25 pieces to be active. First of all, you want to be active because you can get in the directory with Paparazzi. So if anybody was looking for somebody in this area, they would punch that in, and my name would pop up. And I've had customers that I've got that's purchased off my website that I never knew, that they said that they found me on that directory. So you want to be able to do that because there's also potential recruits. Okay, so don't think that being active isn't important. It definitely is. It also helps you if you end up with your downline or your recruits that you bring in, you get a percentage of what they purchase from Paparazzi. So for example, I have 3 people under me. I'm a director at that point, and you would get 10% of each of those individuals' sales not their sales, but what they purchase from Paparazzi. You'd get 10% of that every single month. Direct deposited right into your account. Easy money. Okay, and then you'd also get 5% of their downlines. Does that make sense? And like I said, even if you are a star consultant, you've just started out, you have 1 person under you, you still get 5% if you're active. Okay, so you want to do that. So say, for example, June. This is May 31st. So June, you want to be active between at least, get active on the 1st if you can, but between the 1st and the 3rd. 25 pieces will cost you at $2.75 for each piece of jewelry that you purchase. It's only going to cost you $68.25. $68.75. $68.75. Okay? That is only like 13 pieces of jewelry, right? 13 pieces of jewelry sold, I believe. I'm going to think and see if I did that right. 14 times 5 is 70. Yeah, let's say 14 pieces. Okay, so you sell 14 pieces of your inventory. You've just made that money for you to go ahead and get active for the following month. If you don't happen to not have any inventory at all, you've sold it all, get out there and sell something. Have a rummage sale. Get active, because I want to show you something, and I want you to do this starting in June if you can. Okay, I know you can do it. You are capable. We want to say that we are capable of doing this. You just have to set your mind to it and say you want to succeed. Okay, so what I want to tell you is go ahead. The very first week of this month, you're going to order your 25 pieces. You're going to sell that 25 pieces that first week. Remember, you can start selling them right away. You can download those stock pictures, start selling them in your group, show them to your friends, show those pictures, have them go to your website and purchase, okay? Whatever it takes, but sell those 25 pieces. And if you sell those 25 pieces, you're going to have $125. You've just made your $68.75 back, and you've profited $56.25. Okay? So you've already got your money back within that first week. And it only took to sell 3 or 4 pieces every single day. So between 3 and 4 pieces a day, that's easy. Okay? So you sell that. You've now made $125. Well, 56 of it's your profit. Okay, I want you to put all of it back in, even your $56 profit. Okay, put the whole 125 back in for the second week. Now the second week, by putting the $125 in, you're going to be purchasing 45 pieces. Okay, so that $125 equals 45 pieces that you buy at $2.75 a piece. Now you have those 45 pieces, you sell them that week. The second week, you're selling those pieces. You're only having to sell 6 to 7 between 6 and 7 pieces a day to sell the 45 pieces. If you have a live, during one live of mine, you can sell anywhere from 30 to 60 pieces. So it's really easy. You can sell it in so many ways. You can sell in events. You can sell at bazaars. Same thing. Okay, so there's like the bazaars. There's home parties. They're really fun. You can get through this COVID thing, and get back into home parties. I enjoyed them a lot. And you could sell on Facebook in your group, post albums, just the pictures. You could have messenger parties, Facebook parties, basket parties. All of those. There's so many ways to sell. So don't say you can't do it. You are capable of doing this, okay? So now, you've sold your 45 pieces for this week. The second week, you've sold your 45 pieces. You now have $225. You've got that $125 back. You made $101 in profit. $101.25 if you want to get technical. So, but I want you to put all of it back in. So you put the whole $225 back in for the third week. Now I'm going to give you the third and the fourth week to do this one. So you'll have 2 weeks to sell this amount. Gives you a little extra time. So you invest the whole $225 back in. That gives you 81 pieces. Okay, so you now have 81 pieces because you purchased them at $275 a piece, and you had $225, so you made 81 pieces. Okay, you sell those 81 pieces between the third and the fourth week, so you have 2 weeks to sell those 81 pieces. Okay, and that's only like 6 pieces a day. 6 pieces a day does that for you. Okay, because it's only 6 pieces because you have 2 weeks. You have 14 days. All right. Your profit here, okay, never mind. You sell it all. It's $405. $405. Your profit would be $182.25. I don't know why. I just want to still give you that, what the profit part of it is too. The money you got back of what you had purchased starting in the very beginning, you've got it all back and you've profited $182.25. That's just out of that week. That's not total. Okay. All right. So now you've sold those. You're done with your first month. You're at $405. Second month, first week. I want you to put the whole $405 back in. Still giving you 2 weeks again. So I'm going to give you 2 weeks again. Take the whole $405 and you'll be purchasing 147 pieces. 147 pieces. You take the first and the second week to sell this. That's only between 10 and 11 pieces a day. Still so easy to do. You can do this. You got it. Don't feel overwhelmed thinking, 10, 11 pieces a day. If you want to do it, you can do it. You can sell it in so many ways, okay? You sell all 147 pieces. You now have $735 and $330 profit just from that one sell, okay? Reinvest it. Reinvest the whole $735 for your third and fourth week. We're done after this, okay? So now you have your third and fourth week, your last 2 weeks of your second month. Invest that $735 back in. Remember, you only started in the beginning with $68 or $68.75. Look what you're putting back in, and you never spent any more of your money to do it. Okay, so you've reinvested your whole $735. Hope I'm not going too fast for you. You now have 267 pieces. So 267 pieces. You're going to sell them still within 2 weeks because this is your last 2 weeks of your second month. That's 19 pieces per day. 19 pieces per day. You can do this. You are what? Capable. Okay. Your total for your second month from starting out at your $68.75, your total now is $1,335. Your profit here is $600. Okay? $600 profit. Now you think, well, I want to start getting some of my income. Okay. After that second month, you take that $600. Okay? Take your $600. Keep that for yourself And now reinvest just the $735 that's left, okay? So your profit in that one was $600. Take it. Go shopping. Go do something with it, okay? But the other $735, because you got $1,335 total, so you're $735, put that back in, which takes you back to right where you are at 267 pieces again for the next week, for your start of your third month, okay? So you put that $735 back in. You now have another 267 pieces. Sell those 267 pieces. You have now profited $1,335 again, or not profited, sorry. You've sold $1,335 and profited another $600. Sell those within that 1 week. If you can sell those in that 1 week, it's 38 pieces a day. One live can get you that. Easy. One live can do that. That's without anything else. Okay? You can do this. So if you do that every single week, keep your $600 that week too. Put the $735 back in. Sell the 267 pieces that $735 gets you. Selling it at 38 pieces a day. For the next week, you got another $600. So on and so forth. $600 for 4 weeks is $2,400. At a full-time job, you can't get that very often, right? I mean, think about that a little bit. So and you're having fun. You're enjoying it. You're meeting people. You get to open up jewelry every day. And you're getting to purchase 267 new pieces every single week. Okay, not only that, I got something else to tell you here. The 267 pieces that you're purchasing every single week, that profit that I just told you about, that 600, you also have more profit than that. I just didn't want to bring that up till the end. Because if you're purchasing 267 pieces, you know that every 10 pieces that we purchase from Paparazzi, we get one reward. So we get one free piece of jewelry for every 10 pieces we order. If you're ordering 267 pieces, you got 26 pieces for free. 100% cash for you. Okay? So those 26 pieces that you are, the 26 pieces that you purchased is 100% profit. So take 26 times 5, that's $130 bonus every single week. So now you've made your $600 that week plus an extra $130 if you sell those. That's 100% cash. 26 pieces times 5 there. Okay, so those 26 pieces every week for 4 weeks. That's what, $520. $520 extra a month on top of the $2,400, just $2,920. Okay, so you're almost at $3,000 per month if you consider those. You purchasing 267 pieces every single week is also going to get you platinum for the next year. The Life of the Party. You guys know the Life of Party. It starts from July 1st through June 31st of the following year. Then if you get platinum during that year, starting in September of that year, you get double hostess rewards. So you wouldn't only be getting 26 pieces per week at that 267 pieces that you're purchasing. You'd be getting 52 pieces per week. $260 more every single week. Okay? So think about that a little bit too. So you've got those rewards. And not only that, with platinum or even gold, you get both of those. You get the double hostess rewards at that point. You also get 5 exclusive pieces sent to you every single month for free. Okay, so think of all that. I want you to do this for June and July. Try this. See yourself make $2,400 plus, of course, the bonuses that you get 100% of. Okay, and if you guys have any questions at all, you can message me here. You can message me on Facebook. I have a group there at Time to Style with Sandy, so you can also check that out, get some tips, see how we post the albums and things like that. Okay? Again, my name is Sandy Bradley, and I hope this helped you all out. Thank you guys, and have a great day. Bye.